Think the FAFSA isn't for you? Think again. We're busting the top 5 FAFSA myths so you don't miss out on free money for college. At UW-Stout, we're here to guide you through the process every single step of the way. Myth number 1, my family makes too much money, so I won't qualify for aid. That's false. There are no income limits for federal student aid. The FAFSA considers many factors, not just income, so it's always something worth submitting. Myth number 2, if I don't get any grants, it's not worth my time. Wrong. Even if you don't qualify for grants, completing the FAFSA could make you eligible for federal student loans and work study. Many schools, including UW-Stout, also use your FAFSA information for institutional scholarships and aid. Myth number 3, it is too hard and it takes forever. Not true. The FAFSA is more user-friendly than ever, with step-by-step guidance, and on average, it takes around 20 to 30 minutes to complete. Myth number 4, only students with good grades get aid. That is incorrect. Initial eligibility for aid like Pell Grant and federal loans is not based on your grades. However, you must maintain satisfactory academic progress to continue receiving aid. Myth number 5, once I submit the FAFSA, I'm done forever. Nope. You need to complete the FAFSA every single year. It opens annually on October 1st for the next academic year. Keep your FSA ID handy. You use it each one the same time you log in. FAFSA is your first step towards affording college. Don't let myths stop you from getting the support you deserve. If you are a current or future UW-Stout student, contact our financial aid office for personalized help. We're here to make the process easier.